this reimagining of the classic Diamond Turf 93 as a football cleat, Nike maintains its trend of nostalgic comebacks. The iconic midfoot cross strap, layered leather construction, and neoprene tongue of this cleated version, all encased in a striking monochromatic color scheme, remained faithful to the original. In addition to highlighting the vintage paneling, the black and white blocking keeps the performance-driven edge that modern athletes require. In keeping with the design's primetime roots, the Prime logo reappears on the tongue pull tab. The model is field-ready by replacing the traditional air cushion midsole with a molded cleat plate underneath. Whether your goal is to tap or to get speed off the snap, enjoy official look of the newest DT93 football cleats. Sanders' next swoosh-branded product is anticipated to retail for $220 on Nike.com on May 29.